tried of common mode interference, unstable equipment, and poor EMC performance. Give TD Flatwire Common Mode inductors a try. TD Flatwire Common Mode inductors effectively filter common mode noise, reduce equipment external radiation, and enhance EMC performance, featuring high current capacity, outstanding high-frequency performance, excellent heat dissipation, compact size, and high power density. They are ideal of power supplies, automotive, electronic, industrial drives, LED drivers, communications equipment, and more.